It's going to be fun.
Cough like that.
I know you don't want to go, but you're going.
What?
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. It's currently like 8 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna go pick Jacob and then we are going to head to Wroxham Broads. Wow, how are you feeling, Frankie?
Good.
Good. But yeah, I'm just gonna film little bits here and there, but yeah, so we're gonna pick up Jake first. And then Dad is shouting. I don't know who's shouting, but we're gonna see if he notices the phone. Hi. Look at the camera.
Hi, Bart. Oh, hello. Just went and get my hair gel because my hair's a bit of a mess.
How did you get it so fast?
Because I'm good. Whose phone's that?
Mine.
But my hair, I'm gonna have sticky fingers.
Oh, I'm sure there's a sink in the boat.
Yeah, but I really want to do it now.
Do your gel? We had loads.
Well, I think one of them's still packed from Tattershall, and
Tyler's probably taking the other one.
and I didn't have time to do my hair in the morning, so I took it to work with me and I left it in the customer's car. Yeah.
Was it a bit silly?
Yeah. So where's Fat Freak Frank? Fucking knobhead. Fucking retard.
That's why I hate people. I actually have PTSD because people do it all the time.
Yeah, and I just think, frick you, I'm not even stopping, I'll just swerve around you.
Hi guys. I've stopped.
No, it's deleted.
Look at little sausage.
At least Frankie will actually be like living.
Yeah, then you'll be
Give your phone because you're gonna drop that for sure.
Dad. Don't help two people.
So I thought that we had a toilet, Mum.
Oh, Jake's a romantic man.
It's okay, I'll just get
That's embarrassing.
Let's just go!
Like that.
What the hell is it?
Yeah, can you run another plate, mate?
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, you were running on it.
Turn it, Dad.
Yeah, you got a. It's like a race car there. No, just go straight. This is so embarrassing.
Yeah, for
You
her.
can overtake as well.
Think we can do it. Oh my god, Frankie, look at the swans. Frank, look at the swans. Look how many there are.
Why?
Look, Frank, look at the swans, look. 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 Oh my god, they're coming. That is... No, don't be mean. That's so cute.
They know when to get out of the boat.
Grab one and get one on.
Look, they're kissing.
What's the speed?
They don't have one. Dad, we're getting overtaken.
Shit, they're okay.
So just go.
We're going to overtake. Fuck them.
Do it.
This is going to be the slowest overtake in the world. Oh yeah, I have no brakes. Brakes are bad. What bad again? Side, because it's a left-hander. We're holding it. We're going to run braking, Bill. Shit, we're not. We're running out of steam.
Dad, I dare you to click the horn. Dog dare you.
Oh shit, we're going to have a head-on.
I reckon.
Oh no, we're going to go out the outside.
No, you've overtaken them.
Yo, that's the type of boat I was
actually
expecting.
well
I know they've got one where you can go in the front.
Yeah, see, that's
I was
cool.
expecting that.
Dad, you're going to overtake these people away.
What?
Overtake these ones as well.
I'm trying.
This is maximum speed.
Wow, this is really fast, isn't it?
For a little baby boat. Dad, Dad, they're turning in on you.
They've got a nice boat
Get off.
at the front.
I'm joking.
Why are you going?
Why is our boat so crap?
Well, we're overtaking them.
So KB, when you weigh this,
Yeah. Frank moved so everyone can see.
oh my god.
Oh my god, look at all the open water over there. I need to record. Dad, yours are... Oh no, that's private fishing.
Yeah, you can't go there.
No, you can go on there.
I don't know, it's like private fishing.
Oh no, it's not.
Are you having your main character? Kai, stand up. Kai, stand up.
Alright, Frank.
Kai, stand up and do this.
After Frank now is standing on the boat.
That's actually quite funny.
Paul Pelican's a big orange mouth.
I want to go see him.
Dad!
I think it's a statue. Yeah, that's... No, it's moving. It's alive.
It's not a pelican.
No,
You know what a pelican is?
Google it.
That is a pelican.
Ah!
Look at him. He's spinning.
Right, sit down.
Straight, it's like this.
No, like you just feel it. Like just turn it a little bit and then you see the front end move over, then turn right again.
I touched the water.
Do a 360.
I touched the water.
Stand your back. Dad, you're meant to have your life jacket on.
That is so
Shake,
good.
shake, 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 shake.
Dad, you didn't have your life jacket on, so now you're going to get some cold off.
Kai's turning, dude. Ah. Oh, that's just
Shake,
No,
shake,
don't be a
shake,
reader.
Sharp belly, have some fun.
Don't be a reader.
Yeah, you're on the wrong side.
There's a car.
You need to drive now. You're going to get some cold.
Look at him, he's a natural.
No, because
Turn right.
Only
Turn
slightly.
right.
Turn right.
Do you know
Dad.
left
That's it,
and
there,
right?
that one is. Go left. Perfect.
Yeah, it's out on fire.
No, he's fine, just freaking shush. Can't see the bushes. Move it a little bit, and then all of a sudden, the boat starts moving.
It's really annoying.
Let go of the steering wheel. It's little kind of... Yeah. No, but you just little.
Not that way. We don't need to go into the west. You're going to confuse them. You're not going to kill it.
There, we'll knock out.
You're going to get in the way of someone
Watch where we're
fishing.
going. Because there's a fisherman.
You clearly can't. Where are you going to tie it in?
Horse.
Dad,
Shut up, Neil. I'm concentrating on what I'm doing.
Yeah, I think you can. But I think this
So guys, everybody's in a mood right now.
I'm not actually.
We're going to be parked up
I'm not in a mood, Frank.
and
doing it, Dad.
yes, I'll go back up.
Alright, keep going.
Slow, Dad.
Go under the way.
Same. What a gentleman.
I don't know why you're crying.
river.
Frank, why are you crying when
Do
you
this
still
on your
there?
YouTube channel.
No, I'm thinking
Second one as well.
Dry person ruined.
it's a feeling phone. I just believe.
Why did you get turkey for?
I don't know. I'm regretting it.
Just ask for beef.
No, that's fine.
It doesn't say on it.
You agree? Oh, is that yours?
So quite nice, doesn't it?
Got some stunning food. Did you not say you was giving him a tenner?
No. Big miles away now.
Sorry, because my belly is hurting well bad.
Once we're out, this way.
Frank, do you want to sit on the front while we're stopped?
Yeah, get on the front whilst we go away.
Look, do you want me to lift?
Right, Frank, come on then.
Right, Frank, you stay sitting there. Do you know where Spring is? Okay.
Dad, did you tip it?
What?
Did you tip it?
We tip it? Yeah.
That man.
40 quid.
No, you
No,
didn't.
you didn't.
Mate, he's gonna roll off.
Frank, careful.
Someone get on there with him. Yeah, but no one will see him.
Yeah, they will. That's why we've already been told off.
By who?
That baby.
Lay down.
Oh my God,
Oh, what up?
Yeah, I'll do it.
You do it.
It's just like,
Lay down, Frankie. Put your hands around, Frankie. Dangle your hands near your head like that. Go. I said dangle. Oh my god.
The willows.
I'm gonna lay down. He's a bit uncomfy.
Cord right in the face.
What? Yeah, look, your face is in it.
You gotta hold my feet while I grab it.
Are you coming back, Frank?
No, I'm just sitting. Wait.
Yeah,
I am.
You have to choose.
Everyone's in the boat.
Make sure to send this to me, Keely. And hello, guys. I'm on a vlog, and we're on a boat.
This is where we're going.
We've already told you this, but
Cray,
I'm on
cray,
the front
cray.
and standing up. Meanwhile, my sister's being a little bit scaredy cat, and
I'm not being a scaredy cat. No, but I don't want to stand up because I've not got a life jacket. You got a life jacket. Although that's not going to save you because look how loose it is. You tighten it up. Anyways, this is our
we
cute
are
room.
in where? Where are we at?
We're in Roxham. Frank, dangle your feet like me. Frank, dangle your feet here like me. And I'll take a photo
I need
of
to
us.
take my.
No, your Crocs won't fall. Oh,
They'll
yeah,
fall.
they will. Right, just put them here. Right,
Oh.
dangle your feet. Ah! Stop shouting. Lean your head off here. Frank, lay down here.
See?
Lay your head down here. I got a shield.
Boat speeding, it's going so fast. Yeah, don't worry about the right. Just keep going.
I would actually love to live here. What the hell? Yeah, saying hi to everyone.
misuse of the hall.
You never fall in.
We're still going to fall.
That's great.
Right, this is going.
Where are you going?
Doing a donut.
Actually did a donut.
Let go.
A full donut. Look at the mark it's left in the water.
Mate, look at that, bro.
Look at the duckies.
and I'll hold your hand. Or are you going to sit on the ends?
No, because the propeller. Right, I'll hold you so you sit on there.
No, I'm not sitting there. I'm gonna sit at the front.
Yeah, but your feet won't
Your feet won't reach, Frank. Frank, do it here because your feet won't reach.
Right, sit on the blue bit.
In and smile. Wow.
Send this to me.
Put your feet fully in and smile.
It's cold.
That's enough, it won't turn.
Right, let's leave.
Okay.
Hey, no need for turning. We clean.
What are you doing?
We're all chillaxing. This is honestly the most chillaxing thing ever. Like, this is so chill and it's so.
No, because we need to get back.
Because remember, we've got no towels, so we'll have to do it another time. Because she had work. She was too busy working. Anyways, everyone's chilling, guys. It's well fun. Bye to the boat. That was an amazing journey. Loved it, and I got a wet ass now.